Hello everyone, welcome to the Royal Gold Gardens for another Growing with the Gold Garden update. We're gonna give a quick walkthrough just to show you some of what's going on here in the gardens. It's midsummer and everything's booming. We've got winter squash. They are taking off really well. We're starting to get some great growth, early fruit production. We've got our giant pumpkins coming together. Over here we have our potatoes. Potatoes, these are a determinate variety. They're coming to the end of their life. We're looking like we're gonna finish out here in the next week or two, start harvesting some spuds to share with our people in the garden. And again, these giant pumpkins are going insane. We've got 4 giant pumpkin bushes covering a good 30 by 40 area. We're just starting to get some fruit. We're gonna show you what happens along the way as we select down to our individual fruit and try and grow ourselves a giant pumpkin. As for a greenhouse update, we've gotten all of our beds rotated a few times now. We've done brassicas, gotten a few harvests of lettuces, carrots, radishes, all sorts of things turning over out of here. We're getting crop after crop after crop. We've ripped everything out, re-amended and replanted again for a midsummer crop. We've got beans climbing the back wall. We've got marigolds for days, more carrots coming out, more carrots and radishes going in. So we can keep giving up food out of this greenhouse all year long. That's one of the most beautiful things about growing with the gold. We have all the tools to keep your harvest flush all year. Lots to share here at the Royal Gold Gardens to show you how we're getting the gold standard in gardening with Royal Gold products.